Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I am Najwa. I am Najwa. I'm a makeup freak. I love different styles of makeup. I do arts and also I love to experiment with makeup. If you share the same interest as I am, then why not you hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, then please do consider to give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, if you want to know how I do this very easy lion theme makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna apply foundation by Phoera Beauty, which is in code 105 Sand. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. It is very lightweight. It is also oil controlling and also naturally flawless. I really love this foundation because it is long wear and I can wear it for hours and it still look good on me. To cover up any blemishes and also my dark under eyes, I'm gonna use Dermacol Makeup Cover Full Coverage Foundation / Concealer. Actually, this one is a foundation, but I always use it for concealer because it is very thick and it covers up my blemishes pretty well, even though I only use a tiny bit of it, so it's pretty good. This one is in code 211. Then I'm taking my favorite loose powder. This one is by Revlon, the translucent loose powder in the code 02. Next, for my brows, I'm gonna use Imagic Cosmetics Face and Body Paint in the color of black, and we're gonna feather our brows today. Then I'm using the same concealer, which is by Dermacol, to clean up the edges of my brows and also as my eye primer. For my brow bones, I'm gonna use a white eyeshadow from Contour palette. This one is from the brand 020. Then I take my recently favorite eyeshadow palette. This one is by Chique Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start with Pumpkin Spice. This one will be my transition color. I'm bringing this color all the way to my inner corner. And as you can see, I'm just focusing only at the crease area. And I'm just blend it out almost to my brow bones. To contour my crease, I use chocolate ganache and shading brush from Elianto. So what I'm doing is, while I'm applying the brown color, which is chocolate ganache, I also blend it to the transition color that we've applied. I also bring the color little bit downwards because I want to create very long inner corner edges later. To darken up my crease, I will use E4, which is a very dark brown eyeshadow from Norvina Volume 2 palette. Next, I take Dermacol concealer and a flat synthetic brush to cut up my crease. Then, using my finger, I'm gonna apply golden caramel eyeshadow from the Macaroons palette straight onto my eyelid. Pretty and so pigmented. Seriously, this is so good. I also bring it outwards. You don't have to worry if you smudge the crease edge because we're gonna apply brown and black eyeshadow later to tidy it up. Then to make the golden color even more brighter, I'm gonna apply this glitter glue. The color is, what's the color of this? I don't know. Golden, I guess. While waiting for the glue to dry, I will apply E4 and E5, which are the brown and a black color eyeshadow, to clean up my cut crease. Next, I line my upper lashes using Mistine m.a.c black eyeliner. Apply white face paint and fill in all the gaps under the lower line. To smudge out the line under my lower lashes, I reapply E4 and E5. Using detail art brush, I apply black eyeliner as my new lashes. To create a large nose like lion, I will use this one is peanut butter, which is a light brown eyeshadow from Macaroons palette. Instead doing the normal slender nose, we're gonna make it as wide as possible. So I'm gonna shape very far from the bridge of my nose. For the tip of my nose, I apply black face paint. Oh, and make sure you have lion picture as reference. Before we connect the nose even lower, I'm gonna do the, what you call that, the base of the whiskers, I guess. So I use white face paint and a detail brush and start drawing it. Then I go back to the black face paint and start connecting from the tip of the nose to my mouth. For contour, I apply chocolate ganache. So this is the finished look. Overall, it turns out amazing. I am so happy because it looks so good and it looks so polished and cute at the same time. The next video that I'm gonna do is slithering. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.